all of you doing great. Well, Fed has added approximately more than $300 billion plus into the treasury, and the reason for that was simple: that we have had the the banking crisis, the Silicon Valley Bank almost collapsing, the Signature Bank crisis, and then across the world. And not just that, as I have been consistently saying, the trust in the banking system is getting lost with these kind of things happening. So Fed had to balance the things out because they have been consistently increasing the interest rates, and that interest rate caused this banking crisis because the banks, obviously, there was some internal thing. The banks initially, in order to make the money, the banks buy the bonds, but due to the interest rate increase, the value of the bond decrease. So that is the reason the banks start losing the money. So billions of dollars being lost, and with Fed having the determination that we are going to control the inflation no matter what, and consistently keeping on raising rate from the past 1 year, obviously it had to have the effect on the banking system. Now the Fed had to realize, that it's high time. So this time, like again, they happened to raise 25 basis point, but they did not made it so obvious. They said, okay, everything will be done in order to prevent the banking system, but definitely inflation is also something that we will be very much watchful of. Obviously, I believe that the reason for saying that is not to just admit that, hey, inflation, we just need to ignore the inflation now, just focus on to the banking, because if something like this the Fed is going to do, obviously people are going to be open up. They'll be understanding that money is going to flow into the economy, everything, they are going to buy everything, which is further going to raise the inflation. So they are balancing the things out, but physically they have added to the treasury. Now this is being speculated that this might send the Bitcoin's price value up to $40,000. Obviously it is not going to be an instant $40,000. There will be bumps ahead. Right now the value of the Bitcoin is dropping. A lot of people are calling for the big pullback. We might head down towards below $20,000. A lot of people are saying. But I personally believe that one of the bullish thing that has happened for the Bitcoin, that it has flipped the 200 weekly SMA, right? 200 weekly SMA is a big thing. Like it became a big resistance, and now it has flipped. The only thing that a lot of technical indicators, like the people watchful of the technical indicators, the people are watching is the monthly close. 6 days left for this monthly close. By the end of March, if Bitcoin regains, does not go below $25,500, which is the 200 weekly moving average, it will be highly bullish for the Bitcoin. And I personally believe if that happens, we might be heading towards the next rally of the Bitcoin. And then the $1 million question: when the altcoins are going to rise? A lot of people are just holding the altcoins, waiting for it to rise, but it keeps on dropping. As I said before, the answer to your altcoin season, or when your altcoin is going to rise, is going to lies into this Bitcoin dominance chart. You sign up to the TradingView. Link is down below in the description for the free trial. Just search BTC.D. This is the Bitcoin dominance, and the moment Bitcoin dominance starts falling down, you have the alt season. So check for the resistance, and the moment every time it has fallen down, we had the altcoin season. Right now the Bitcoin dominance is increasing. It keeps on increasing as the price is increasing. And the worst thing that can happen for the altcoin, the Bitcoin dominance increasing, but the Bitcoin price is decreasing. So right now, obviously it is not good for the altcoins, but once the dominance starts falling down, it will be great for the altcoin, and it will be something worthy of watch. And that was the message, guys, for the video. I hope that you found it helpful. If you would like to just subscribe to our channel if you have not already. This channel is everything about how do we grow the finances of our subscribers, and to the hilt, to provide financial freedom to all of our subscribers. And again, guys, smash the like button, comment down below for what do you think, where we are heading towards next for the Bitcoin and for the entire crypto market. If you would like to win one full Bitcoin, all you have to do is just sign up to the biggest exchange in the world, Binance. using the link down below in the description. Click on the link, sign up, purchase your first crypto. You will be part of the lucky draw to win one full Bitcoin. Thanks a lot for tuning in, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.